welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to easily program a generic automatic fish feeder. These generic automatic fish feeders would have to be the easiest feeders to program, and they're also very cheap and generally really reliable. Let's get started. Open up the back and pop two AA batteries inside. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on. Now set the current time by pressing and holding the middle button down for 3 seconds. The hour will flash. Now to select the hour, press the up or down button. This unit uses 24-hour time, so make sure that you're familiar with that. Once you've set the hour, push the middle button and now the minutes section will flash. Type in the minutes you want, again using the up or down keys. Press the middle button and now it will flash and ask you to set the hour for the first scheduled feed. So again, select up down for the hour. Now push the middle button and it will ask you to select the minutes. Once you've done that, press the middle button again and the box on the bottom left hand side will flash asking you how many rotations of the feeder you want. 1, 2 or 3. If the box has no numbers in it, then no feed will come out for that time. Once you've selected how many times you want the feeder to turn, push the middle button again to select the next feed for the day. You can leave the rest of the boxes empty, so that will be 1 feed per day, or you can feed your fish 4 times per day. I just leave the last 2 boxes blank, as the 2 feeds is enough, and I generally just stick to the 1 rotation per feed, as I don't want to overfeed the fish. The button with the hand on it allows for 1 rotation whenever required. These generic units can dispense fine and coarse fish food. You can even set it up to dispense wafers. I find these generic units very reliable, and so far over the years I haven't had any issues. Also, the batteries will last you many months. I'll leave some links on where you can find these units along with other customer reviews. Any feedback or questions you have, leave them in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoy this kind of content, consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy fish feeding.